Hello students, in this video I will show you that how you can use the time formula in Excel. So for example, we have hours and minutes and seconds. So hours like 7 and minutes like 5 and seconds like 0. So the time here, if we want to mention, so under date and time formulas you can see here time. So it will ask you three things like hour, minute, second. So you can mention even the cell like E9 and the value is showing like 7, you can see, and then minute like F9 and seconds G9. So the value you can see time now is 7 5. If we change from here like hours, if I change 9, you can see it has been changed in the time. So if you press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard, that will open that format cell, so you can go to the time section, and if you want like this, so you can also change. Now you can see 9 5 and seconds, for example 15, so you can see it will update like this. It is 12, you can see 11, you can see 10, just a minute, yes, and 12 you can see. So it's very easy, you can use the time formula in Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.